What I think is important about illustration is learning how to use the marks, whether it's stipple or crosshatch, to create value. So I start the class with showing the student how to create a grayscale using a marker. So in anything I'm trying to illustrate, I want to bring it be past just an outline. So this isn't just about learning how to draw outlines. Contour drawing is one part of learning how to draw with markers or with ink, but the other part is really trying to understand how to create value with mark making.